Dear students, welcome to Maths class. In the last class, we discussed matrices and determinants. In that, we discussed definition of matrices and some of the types of matrices. We discussed rectangular matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, like that. We discuss around 8 to 9 types of matrices. Today we have to discuss some more types of matrices. Today we have to discuss equivalence matrices. What is that? Equivalence. What it means? If A and B are two matrices, of same order, the matrix B is obtained from A by elementary transformation. Elementary transformation, you know very well, means by changing rows or multiplying by non-zero number scalar, addition of two rows or two columns, like that. That is called as elementary transformation. Then the two matrices A and B are said to be equivalence matrices. Are you understand? A and B are two matrices. The matrix, this matrix B is obtained, this matrix is obtained from the matrix A by elementary transformation, finite number of elementary transformation. Then the two matrices A and B are said to be equivalence matrices, denoted by A equivalence to B. We can discuss some examples in the next class. We can. After this, one more type of matrix we have to discuss. This is, are you understand this point? Equivalence matrices means A and B are two matrices. The matrix B is obtained, the matrix this B is obtained from the matrix A by elementary transformation. Then the two matrices A and B are said to be equivalence matrices. How to convert A to B we can study in detail after this completion of types of matrices. Okay. Next point, minor of a matrix. Minor of a matrix. These are required to find out the inverse of a matrix. In that case, we require all these points. That's why I am discussing briefly. Minor of a matrix. Minor of a matrix means what? What it means? If A be a m into n matrix, means order of A is m into n. If we are deleting certain number of rows and columns, we get sub-square matrices. Sub-square matrices. The determinant of a sub-square matrix is called minor of a matrix. Are you understand this point? A be a m into n. If we are deleting certain number of rows and columns, we get sub-square matrices. What is meant by sub-square? We discussed in the last video. Sub-square matrices. The determinants of sub-square matrix is called, or matrices is called, minor of that matrix. Are you understand this point? Sir, we are not studied determinant. You already studied the determinant in PU class. Again, here I will explain the determinant. Not small determinant means 2 into 2, 3 into 3. In BSc, I am discussing the determinant of order 4 by 4, not small. It is a big determinant. I am explaining after completion of matrices. Okay? A be a m into n. If we are deleting certain number of rows and certain number of columns, we get a sub-square matrices. The determinant of this is known as minor of a matrix. For example, how we are getting sub-square matrices? For example, if you are deleting some rows, m rows are there, m rows and n columns are there. M rows, m columns are there. In that case, you are deleting certain number of rows and certain number of columns, you are getting a sub matrix, means sub-square matrix, that must be 4 by 4 or 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. Then determinant of this is known as minor of a matrix. Okay? I am not going detail because I am explaining in detail after completion of these brief introduction or recapitulation of matrices. After this, one more important point, of matrices. Equality of matrices. Equality means if two matrices A and B are two matrices of order m into n, A and B, it is also m into n or m by n. Then these two matrices are said to be equal, means A equal to B. Means A equal to B means what? A equal to Aij, it is m into n. B equal to Bij, it is also m into n. If A equal to B, if and only if Aij is equal to Bic. Ith and jth element of A is same as ith and jth element of matrix B, then A and B are said to be equality of matrix or equal matrix. It is a photocopy of this, or this is the photocopy of this. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B must be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then A equal to B. Are you understand? You can write the definition of equality of matrix. If A and B are two matrices of order, same order. If A equal to B, if and only if the ith and jth element of the matrix A, element of A, is same as ith and jth element of B, then the two matrices are said to be equal matrices. Shall I write definition if you want? If A and B are two matrices of same what? Order, then A equal to B if and only if ith and jth element of A is same as ith and jth element of B, then A equal to B. A equal to Aij m into n, B equal to Bij m into n, A equal to B, this implies Aij must be equal to Bij. Are you understand? This is regarding equality of matrices. And one more important point today I am discussing, very important, that is symmetric matrix. What is that? Symmetric. Anybody? Symmetric means A is a square matrix. Symmetric matrix must be a square matrix. Very important point. Square symmetric matrix is a square matrix. Are you understand this point? First I will give some example. Symmetric means what? If A is a matrix of order 3 into 3. A, H, G. H, B, F. H, B, F. G, F, C. Are you understand this point? This is 3 into 3. Means symmetric matrix is a square matrix. Then it is said to be symmetric if and only if. What is A dash? Anybody can tell? A dash means by changing rows into column, column into rows. Here I am changing this row of first converted into A, H, G. Second row I am converting this as H, B, F. Third row I am converting column G, F, C. Just you observe it, A and A dash. What you are getting? You are getting A is same as A dash or A dash equal to A. Then this matrix we are calling as symmetric matrix. Are you understand? The transpose of a matrix is same as the original matrix, then that matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Are you understand? Let us take the definition. If a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A dash equal to A, where A dash is the transpose of the matrix A. If A is a square matrix, A is said to be symmetric if A dash must be equal to A, where A dash is nothing but it is a transpose of the given matrix. Example, A equal to same A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C. Transpose A dash equal to same A, H, G, H, G, B, F, F, C. A dash is equal to A. This is what? Symmetric matrix. One more is there, that is What is that? Anybody? Just recall in your mind. That is skew symmetric matrix. Small changes there. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means it is a square matrix and also it is a small symmetric skew. It is a square matrix, but only small changes in symmetric A dash is equal to A, but in skew symmetric A dash is equal to minus A or A equal to minus A dash. And one more important point in the skew symmetric matrix is, in the symmetric matrix the diagonal elements are not 0, but in symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are 0. How is it? Let us think. A is equal to, first I will give some brief idea of skew symmetric with the help of example. A is a matrix 0, 0. In symmetric I am considered A. I am taken as A. Here 0, H, G. Here minus H, 0, minus H, 0, and here what? F. Minus G, minus F, 0. This is a 3 into 3, one matrix A. Let us consider one more. A dash means transpose of the matrix A. Transpose means changing the rows into columns. What happens here? First row, column H, G. Second row, minus H, 0 and F. Third row, minus G, minus F, 0. How is it? A is here, A dash is here, but let us think it 0, 0, 0, no problem. But here is H, here is minus, here is G, here is minus, here is minus H, here is plus H, here is minus G, means if you take minus common, you get again A dash, means A dash equal to minus A. Then this M is known as skew symmetric matrix. Means, what it means? Question arises, why these are 0? Why it is 0? It should be what? Any other number, but why it is 0? This question arises in your mind. Let us think, in this case, A, I, J equal to minus A, J, I. Is it right? Ith and jth element of this must be equal to negative of j ith element. J ith element. See, this type is there or not? See, what is this element? This is A11 is equal to 0 na? A11 is equal to 0. What is this? A12. A12 equal to H. A13 equal to what? G. Correct? This is A11, A12, A13. What about this? A21 equal to what? Minus H. A22 equal to what? 0. A23 equal to what? Minus only F. Similarly, A31 equal to what? Minus G. A32 equal to what? Minus F. A33 equal to what? 0. Let us think here. Aij is equal to minus Aji. Minus Aji. See, A12 is H. A12 is H. What about Aji? A21 equal to what? Minus H. Correct? Then, if you know this, then you can easily, why these are 0? You can understand, because Aii equal to, Aii means A11. What about this? A22. What about this? A33. Is it right? Aii must be equal to minus Aii. Aii is equal to minus Aii. This implies 2Aii is equal to what? 0. This implies Aii equal to 0. That's why A11 0, A22 0, A33 0. Why the diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric? First you understand, this is degree class. In PUC they are telling in skew symmetric principal diagonal element must be is equal to 0 and others are negative of the others. But why it is 0? This is very important. Are you understand? Skew symmetric matrix. Okay? Let us take the definition. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if and only if A dash must be equal to minus A, where A dash is the transpose of a matrix A equal to 0 H G H 0 F minus G minus F and 0. A dash equal to 0 H G minus H 0 F minus G minus F and 0. A dash is equal to minus C, then A is called skew symmetric matrix. These are some important types of matrices. From next class we can discuss details of the syllabus. This is just a recapitulation. Recapitulation ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪುನರ್ಮನನ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದದ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫಾಗಿ ಐಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ some theorems and some example we can discuss in the next class. Have a good day.